Ngokusho kukaMokgosi, kunamacala engangeni ngaphansi kwethimba eliphenya ngamacala okubulawa kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal, kodwa okubonakala liwaphenya. Ubalule ngokugasela kwalolu phiko emzini kasomabhizinisi uVus'Muzi Mahlala.
Are you suggesting that the PKTT is being used for political scores?
Yeah, but mostly by General Mkhonazi, it is actually used to achieve a different objective from that is actually intended for.
And what objective would this be?
Let me give you an example. In the case of Ket being arrested, or when the PKTT went to his house, one would imagine, commissioners, how
uMokgosi uthi ukholwa ukuthi kunemiyalezo eyasuswa kumakhalekhukhwini kaMahlala ngesikhathi kushaqwa omakhalekhukhwini bakhe. Ubephendula ngestatimende sakhe mayelana nokuthi uMahlala wamtshela ukuthi wakhokhela umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uFani Masemola nokhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi izigidi zamarandi.
To base the process on the cell phone that was tampered with, on the cell phone that it means these messages will only suit the narrative of those who had the cell phone first, before any other party could get the cell phone.
Uchazele ikhomishana ngesigameko sokuhlaselwa kwakhe ngenyanga edlule eFosloras.
Before I could even give a statement, because people thought I'm a Superman, I'm trying to lie that I was moving like this inside, in the riddle of bullets, whereas by luck, I don't know what happened. It was only one shot because those people followed me for so long.
Isigcawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.